It's graduation season once again. It's moving up season. It's closing season once again, and another school year has ended. Congratulations to all those graduates, to the students who are moving up, and all. Congratulations to all of you. Yung with honors, with high honors, with the highest honors, and all. At kahit yung walang honors, congratulations. Your hard works have been paid off, and yeah, saludo ako sa inyo. Congratulations. And also, I also would like to congratulate the teachers, because I know how hard it is to educate students with different backgrounds. Super saludo ako sa inyo. Thank you so much for educating the young minds of our children. Thank you so much. Equally important, congratulations din po sa mga parents. I know it's hard. Ang buhay ngayon, grabe, ang hirap. And I would like to congratulate you that you adhere to the saying that poverty is not a hindrance to success. Yes, congratulations. Naitaguyod niyo ang mga anak niyo. And yes, I am very happy and proud for all of you. And that is not actually my message for this video today. I just would like to comment on a post on social media about graduation thing. Yung giving gift, extravagant gift sa anak na graduate or maybe nagtapos or nag-level up something. Kasi there was this post on social media na isang parent nagbigay ng grabe, sobrang daming pera, guys. Like, binilang ko talaga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ganyan ka haba, tapos pag ganyan dito hanggang yuta, hanggang lupa, guys, tigwa 1,000. Kung bilangin mo yun, siguro abot ng 1 day. Kidding. Yes, literally super dami talaga. Yes, tigwa 1,000 from the floor, tapos 5 yan ka, 5 ka, ganyan, tapos paikot dyan, going to the floor again. Tapos maraming nag-bash ang OA. Kailan mo dun? Inutangan ka ba dun? Inis din ako sa iyo eh. Maraming nagbabash kasi ang OA daw, grabe naman kung magbigay, grabe naman. At ikinumpera yun, isang billionaire whose daughter graduated from International Brent School. Well, Brent School. Pero, huwag na lang natin pangalanan, pero si Manny Pacquiao yun. Anak ni Manny Pacquiao, nagtapos sa International Brent School. Tapos ang binigay, isang maliit na bouquet of flowers lang. Pakialam din ba natin doon? Gusto mo din ba na bigyan ng ganon? Na ganon kadaming pera? No! I mean, parents strive hard, work hard for their kids. Kung ikinasasaya nila na magbigay ng ganun kagara na gift, at hindi naman nila inutang yun, hindi naman nila they step other people's rights or whatever para mag-gain yung ano na yun, pakialam na natin, kaligayahan nila yun. Yes, kung kaya mo, why not? Kung yun ang makapagpasaya sa'yo at sa anak mo sa graduation niya or sa moving up ceremony niya or sa recognition day niya, why not? Kung di mo kaya yun, stop it. Mamatay ka sa inggit. I mean, I don't think it's wrong to give something to someone really special to you. Kasi para saan din ba yung mga sinasakripisyo, yung pagtatrabaho, pag-iipon ng mga parents, para saan din ba yun? Para sa ibang tao? Parang alam ka. Inis din ako sa iyo eh. Kung makapag-comment ka, OA. Joke lang. I mean, karapatan yun ng mga parents. Wala tayong ano doon. Kung yun ang makapagpaligaya sa kanila, makapagpasaya sa kanila to give extravagant gift to their kids who graduated or who leveled up or who was recognized as something good. Pinaghirapan nila yun at karapatan nila yun. Hayaan mo na. Kung di mo kaya, manahimik ka na lang. Ha? Kakainis ka eh. Anyway, medyo mahaba na, hindi mo naman tatapusin yung video ko eh. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga graduates and sa mga na-recognize, congratulations. And magsa-summer na. Mag-isip ka naman ng paraan na makatulong sa parents mo ha. Kung graduate ka, nag-closing na, baka as November ka na magising. Tumulong ka din ha. Painis eh. Congratulations. I salute you guys. Thank you. Till next videos. Bye-bye.